juicy, fluffy, tasty. Look at the apple. That's crazy. It's so easy to cook.